Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. This just arrived. It is another Lionel General. This is the Apple Valley complete set minus the caboose. Now I found this on eBay, made the guy an offer on it, got the entire set for 40 bucks. So, the grand unboxing. Really curious to see what condition this is actually in. Alright. No idea what that is. Alright, packed full of plastic bags, it looks like. Alright, give me a minute. Let's get this out of here and see what we have. Alright, the entire set, there's the locomotive. Alright, really anxious to see this locomotive. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that. Alright, a bit tweaked. Alright, so there's the locomotive. Let me get these unwrapped and I'll pull the camera off the tripod so we can see what we have. There's a flat car. It looks like it originally had a load on it of some kind. A dump car. No idea what this is. Oh, I see. Flat car with a fence or a railing. This is a crane. Or appears to be a crane, anyway. Yep, a crane. And the tender. Like I said, I got this entire set for 40 bucks. It is missing the caboose. But it appears to be in actually quite good condition. Now this is very likely DC. I haven't looked at it yet. It looks like it's a DC. Easy way to tell, of course, is to put it on a rail and find out. Alright. Let's see what happens. Yep, it's DC. So, I will do the conversion on this, but as you can see, it is identical to the General with the exception of the headlight and the main stack. So, anyway, it appears to be complete. It is a bit tweaked from shipping. So, let's do a lineup on this. And get everything on the rail and see what it looks like. Alright, let me grab the camera off the tripod. So like I said, the complete set minus the caboose. I have to get that tightened up. And this car is a bit tweaked. Well, I can't say I really liked the guy's shipping or packing. There we go. I think that's about how it's supposed to be. Anyway, there is the complete set. This is called the Apple Valley set. Apple Valley, Redwood Valley, not sure. Anyway, found it on eBay, 40 bucks for the entire set. Made the guy an offer and he accepted. And it appears to be in fairly decent condition. As you can see, it doesn't look like it's had a great amount of runtime at all. So anyway, I've got to get everything straightened out, and this appears to have been broken in shipping. So I need to get that epoxy back into position. So I will drop this guy a note, tell him that his packing was quite poor. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. So I've got to pull the locomotive apart. It is DC. So I'll pull the locomotive apart and install a rectifier in it. I've got another one. I ordered 2, so it'll only take about 5 minutes to do this. But as you can see, once this is sorted out, this is actually going to be a quite nice set. Redwood Valley Express. No idea what went on there. Obviously something was mounted on it. Dump car and the crane. So I got to get the crane sorted out. So the only thing missing is a caboose, and the caboose was brown, so I have one around. There's one right there that will work. All right, so anyway, I just wanted to do a grand unboxing on the new General. As I said, these things are DC, so you can get them cheap. The entire set, 40 bucks. Made the guy an offer and he accepted. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.